Tell me, have you ever dreamed of living in a place where every day feels like the beginning of your own story? Or imagined a home where even the silence feels expensive? Because what you're about to see might change the way you think about luxury forever. This is not just a mansion. It's an emotion built, shaped, and perfected to make you feel something the moment you look at it. That feeling of, yes, this is the kind of home you experience at least once in a lifetime. Look at the facade. It's crafted from light, glass, and pure imagination. The panoramic walls open the space so wide that the inside and outside become one seamless world. Here, architecture isn't decoration. It's a language this home uses to speak directly to your senses. Inside, the space welcomes you like a breath. Yes, a breath. Because this home feels alive. It moves with the sun, plays with shadows, and captures every warm reflection of the evening light. Every corner is designed not just by a designer but by an artist who understood one truth. Real luxury isn't gold, it's emotion. The living room with its double-height ceiling wraps you in softness and warm tones. Time slows down here, letting every moment feel deeper, calmer, brighter. And then the kitchen, a story of its own. Marble, silent appliances, hidden lighting. A space made not just for cooking, but for thinking. A place where the future blends with comfort. Step outside to the terrace. This is where magic begins. A mirror-smooth infinity pool, golden reflections, soft nighttime breeze. And that one quiet moment when you suddenly realize, this is the peace we're all searching for. The bedrooms are sanctuaries. Windows that open to sunrise. Calmness you can feel on your skin. A kind of warmth no designer can fake. It exists only in places built with intention. This house is not measured in square feet. It's measured in feeling, in presence, in dreams made tangible through light, form, and space. If you love exploring the world of true luxury, make sure to subscribe. I promise you, the next homes will impress you even more. And maybe one day one of them will be yours.